Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
Have you ever thought about turning polenta into a delightful, savory roll? It's a fantastic way to enjoy this comforting grain, transforming it into a hearty, flavorful dish. Polenta roll is incredibly versatile, allowing for endless filling possibilities, from vegetables to cheeses. Let's explore how easy it is to create this cozy, impressive meal right in your own kitchen, perfect for sharing. The foundation of your polenta roll is a perfectly cooked, creamy polenta. Combine 4 cups of liquid, like broth or water, with 1 cup of instant or quick-cooking polenta. Cook it slowly over medium heat, stirring often, until it thickens beautifully and pulls away from the pan. This smooth, rich base sets the stage for everything delicious that follows. Once your polenta is cooked, immediately spread it onto a parchment-lined baking sheet. Aim for an even layer, about ½ inch thick, using an offset spatula. This uniform thickness is important for rolling later. Let it cool completely, either at room temperature or in the refrigerator, until it becomes firm and easy to handle. Patience here makes all the difference. Now for the fun part, adding your flavorful filling. Once the polenta slab is firm, spread your chosen ingredients evenly across its surface, leaving a small border. Popular choices include sautéed spinach and ricotta or roasted vegetables with mozzarella. Then, gently but firmly, begin rolling the polenta from one long end, using the parchment paper to help guide it into a neat log. This creates a beautiful, stuffed spiral. With your polenta roll ready, transfer it carefully, seam side down, to a baking dish. You might add a little marinara sauce or broth to the bottom for extra moisture and flavor. Bake it in a preheated oven at about 375 degrees Fahrenheit for 20 to 30 minutes, or until it's warmed through and the filling is bubbly. Slice your beautiful roll into generous portions and serve it warm. Enjoy this comforting, satisfying dish.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.